How do I connect Pinterest to Hostinger Website Builder? Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Pinterest profile or your feed to your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very simple. It is going to be a organic process, so we are not going to need the help of an external website or platform to integrate this specific profile or the Pinterest. As you can see here, profile. We are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to see the H panel or the dashboard. Once you are here, we're going basically to click on websites, and then we're going to select the website lists. Now, what we're going to do is to head over the website that we want to add the Pinterest link or Pinterest profile to, for example, this one. And then we are going basically to wait for the website editor to load up like that. Now, here we are going to add the Pinterest as a emoticon or let's say an icon into the specific header. Why? Maybe you are going to ask, because simply it is going to be the most suitable place so we can add this specific option to. How is that possible? Because we can go ahead and click on the header, edit the header, and then we can select for the elements that are going to be showing up, like here, the social media. So, for example, here we have the social media icons. We can go ahead and edit the elements. For example, for the social media, edit the social icons. As you can see here, we have the Twitter, as you can see, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. We can add here another one, such as Pinterest. So basically, you can go ahead and copy the home feed, for example, like that, paste it in here, and you're going to see it added. And as you can see, we have the Pinterest logo added in, and just like that. We can modify, for example, the icons for the icon size, as you can see, and also the colors. So we can increase a little bit the icon size, make them like that, or change the icon colors. Also, you can change the layout of the icons by putting them right there, or you can go ahead and move them away if you want, and then you can, with that, edit only the header. Basically, that was pretty much it. Do not forget, if you have here the Pinterest link, as you can see, when you have here the Pinterest profile of yours by selecting here the Pinterest profile, so make sure that you're going to select the profile like that, and you're going to get the specific or the precise profile of yours like this. So you're going to put here, instead of the home feed, this one, and you have it right there clickable. Do not forget to save the settings, also update the website of yours, and then you're going to see it live. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.